Hey guys, it's Luke from Reaper Customs. Today we're working on this beautiful 5.0 Mustang. We're gonna be doing the roof wrap for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. All right, so step number one, we wanna spray the roof with alcohol. It's an alcohol water combination. Get nice on there. You're gonna take your clay bar and you wanna just rub it all over there. Make sure you get all the debris and little grime and stuff off of there. Do that. So once you do that, you want to make sure to wipe it down with a microfiber towel. And you want to do that for the whole roof. All right, step number two, you want to measure the roof. Step number three, cut your piece. Step number four, make sure you do your final wipe. You don't want any dust or anything on the top.
All right, we're wrapping this bitch. Whew.
Step number five, lay your wrap.
Dude, I'm gonna lay it so good. What do we do now, Luke?
You gotta get all the creases out. Now we have to glass the wrap, and that means pulling it nice and tight and then putting it on so there's the least amount of creases possible.
Pull harder.
Alright, you want to start in the middle and start squeegeeing outwards. Do not go inwards. Very bad.
You doing good there, Luke?
Yeah, I think I might need a hand here.
Yeah,
if you
okay,
don't
perfect.
mind.
Yeah, okay, so I see what you got going here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just get everything unpacked where we need to. Keep your hands spread apart and give us a good tug. It should lay down pretty good right there. We should be able to lay that down right there. It's being nice and warm right now. You won't need much heat, so yeah, you squeegee that down and you're good to go.
Awesome, thank you. Sometimes you get into an area where there's a lot of tension, you have to pull it up, release it just so it goes in there nice and good. You don't have the least amount of tension possible so it doesn't peel up on you, because that's the worst thing that could happen. Like that. Just want to slowly work out the air, as you can see. Just push it up there. You can see that little divot there kind of starting to form. Once you guys have laid down your wrap, you want to make sure to take off the protective film layer, and then you can get on to cutting. Now it's time to cut. Hey Dave, do you think you're able to give me a hand with cutting this wrap here?
Yeah, absolutely.
Cut around here and here, if you're able to.
Yeah, it looks like you got a good start here, tucking everything in where we need to. You can probably still go in a little bit there, but that's really good so far. Underneath here, I'm not quite sure how these go, so let's have a look. Okay, so we'll be buttoning it up with the wrap over top. Make sure this is in, and then this one here, you're gonna cut flush on this side right here. So essentially you can rest your blade against this top of the roof on the other side.
Yep. You want to show them, Nick?
Yeah. So you can always rest your blade against this part of the roof, keep it upward angle, use that as your guide. You're gonna slide along here, that should give it a perfect cut along that edge.
Awesome. Thank you, Dave. So once you're done cutting and squeegeeing, you want to heat the wrap to get rid of all any entrapped air and let the glue finally rest. Alright guys, so this is the finished roof wrap that we got here. The customer came back after 2 weeks, and as you can see, it is in immaculate condition. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.